Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a quick little project share, showcasing these little, basically they're supposed to be drawers, because this was 1000% inspired by Crystal. She is I Am Busy Crafting here on YouTube. She joined Betty, who is Scrap Passion 01. She joined her Pasteloween collaboration, and she, oh my gosh, you guys, I'll link the video down below, but she showed her little drawers and I fell in love. She did a tutorial. It uses chipboard and the drawers are functionable, is that even a word? But I didn't want to make the drawers because I was lazy. So I just made books and put a little handle on there to kind of give it the effect that they're drawers, but they're really not. I did go ahead and use one of Lori's flower. She's creating for fun. She makes and sells these. And then, you know, some of my flowers. Crystal gifted me these flowers last year, my friend Crystal. These flowers, I put like a little diamond ring on the skeleton's hand. I used some of this gauze stuff from the dollar store, just like Crystal did on her tutorial. And then little spiders and stuff here and there, jemmies holding it on. And when I made this, because I used 110-pound cardstock, the top flap was not staying shut. Even with the weight of stuff, it was still flapping open. So I stuck magnets. I stuck one magnet like this and the other one up and down. So it makes a T, and it still works. You just got to make sure. So glue this down first, and then this one, you're just going to flip it left or right, front or back, depending how it sticks to the magnet, because one will repel and then the other one will stick. So just keep that in mind if you use magnets. But look, I didn't have to hide them really. They're kind of just in there. And I used those big, thick, bulky ones from Dollar Tree that I had no use for. And then again, and I stuck some, I need to find a small goodie to fit on the top, but I just stuck some Hobby Lobby sequins in there. And then this one has some gemstones and some tassels at the bottom. Hobby Lobby, you know, clearance goodies. But I think this is a super fun thing to make and to send goodies. And I studied, you know, Crystal's picture, like angle it just a little bit so it's hanging off right here and here. And I'm loving the way that this turned out. So thank you so much, Crystal, for inspiring this crafty community. And that is it for today's project. All right, bye guys.